In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-assign tasks in Monday.com. We're going to set up a simple automation so that whenever a task's status changes, Monday.com automatically assigns it to the right person. This is perfect for keeping work moving without manual handoffs. Start by going to Monday.com and signing into your account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and choose the board where you manage your tasks. Click the board name to open it. Make sure this board already uses a status column and a people column, since the automation will reference both. At the top right of your board, click Automations. In the Automation Center, choose the option to create a rule from scratch. This opens the recipe builder where you'll define the trigger and the action. Click the section that says when this happens. From the trigger list, select status changes to something. This means the rule will run only when a specific status changes to a specific value. Next, click the status placeholder in the recipe and pick the exact status column you want to monitor. Many boards have more than one status type column, so choose the one tied to your workflow for assignments. Then click the something placeholder and select the status value you care about. Here, choose working on it. The label must match your board's actual status name and color, so pick the one your team uses for in progress. Now set the action. Click, then do this, and select Assign Person. You'll see an option to add assignee or assign replace. Add assignee keeps any existing person on the item and adds another, which is great for multi-owner tasks. Assign replace swaps out the current assignee with the one you choose, ideal when you want a single owner. Click the someone placeholder to choose who will be assigned when the status changes. If your board has multiple people columns, first click the assignee drop-down to pick which people column to fill, then select the person who should be assigned. Choose the teammate responsible for tasks that move into working on it. When everything looks right, click Create Automation. That's it. The rule is now active. From now on, whenever the selected status column changes to working on it, Monday.com will automatically assign the person you specified. If your team updates statuses consistently, this keeps ownership clear and reduces manual clicks. You can always return to automations later to edit the column, the status value, the add versus replace behavior, or the assigned person as your process evolves.